Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or lying down. Let your body settle into the space you are in right now. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep, full breath in, filling your lungs completely, and let it go with a slow and heavy sigh. With every exhale, feel your shoulders drop away from your ears. Let go of the day behind you. Let go of the day ahead of you. You are here right now. In your mind's eye, imagine you are standing at the entrance of a beautiful ancient forest. The air is cool, crisp, and smells of rich earth, pine, and damp moss. You begin to walk forward, stepping onto the winding dirt path. There is no rush. Each step is deliberately grounding you deeper into the movement. Look up through the canopy. Notice how the sunlight filters through the vibrant green leaves, casting dancing patterns of light and shadows of the forest floor. The trees stand still, tall and strong around you, offering a sense of deep safety and protection. Feel yourself being welcomed by the woods. As you hike a little deeper into the forest, notice the rhythm of your breath matching the rhythm of your steps. Inhale, stepping forward. Exhale, releasing tension. With every step, you are leaving behind the mental noise, the stress, and the responsibilities. If your mind begins to wander to your to do list, gently guide your focus back to the path. Watch the roots of the trees waving in the earth. Notice the vibrant green moss hugging the bark. You are perfectly in sync with the natural world around you. As you round a bend in the trail, the air grows cooler and carries a gentle refreshingness. The sound of rushing water fills the space around you, a powerful, steady roar that somehow feels incredibly peaceful. You step out into an opening. Before you is a magnificent waterfall cascading down a tower cliff of smooth, dark stones into a crystal pool below. Take a moment to just look at it in your mind. See the white churning water pouring down endlessly, free and unburdened. Step closer, feeling the cool, microscopic droplets of the water kiss your face and skin. It feels incredibly refreshing. Find a comfortable rock to sit on near the edge of the pool. As you watch the water pour down, realize that this waterfall is a symbol of release. It never holds on to the water at the top. It simply let it flow. Inhale deeply, bringing that cool, misty air into your lungs. As you exhale, imagine letting go of anything you've been carrying. Let the sound of water wash away your worries. Let it wash away your doubts. Let it carry away your fatigue. With every rush of the water, feel your mind becoming clearer, cleaner, and lighter. Just like the pool below, you are being renewed. It's time to gently bring your awareness back. Take one more deep, appreciative breath of the forest air, anchoring this feeling of peace deep within your heart. Know that this waterfall, this path, and this stillness are always accessible to you whenever you need them. Slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Feel the support of the surface beneath you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing the clarity of the waterfall back into your world.